Sneezy, Spotty, Itchy, he must have dragon pox.
And how does a little genie in training like you know so much about dragons?
Oh, my sister knows a lot about animals. It's true, but that's just because I love them all. From Zalligators to Zoomicorns, and especially little tigers. If she says it's dragon pox, I know she's right.
You poor little scaly-whaly thing. Diggle, diggle, diggle. Okay, we need to find a cure for this, and fast.
I know! I could wish Nazboo better. I wish.
No!
Dangerous.
It's dangerous to use wishing magic on a dragon.
Oh, yes. Anything could happen. But it probably won't be anything that you wished for.
I'm sorry, I didn't know. Then what would help Nazboo?
I know! A dragon pepper! If Nazboo eats a dragon pepper, he'll be good as new.
Then I'll just wish for a dragon pepper.
There's just one teeny-weeny problem. Dragon peppers grow on the dragon pepper tree, but wishing magic doesn't work on the dragon pepper tree. I think it has something to do with dragons.
Really? That's my kind of treat. So where do I find it?
There's only one of them, and it grows deep inside a cave in Zarame Forest.
Tree, cave, Zarame Forest. Yeah, got it. Let's go, Nazboo. Nazboo!
Poor Nazboo. I think he needs to go home and rest.
But I have to go to the forest and get him a dragon pepper first.
I just had the best idea! We'll go and get it for you. Great idea, sis. Zeta, you go home and take care of your cute little scaly-whaly dragon.
And we'll get the dragon pepper.
Oh, please, I don't need your help.
Well, don't think of it as us helping you. Think of it as us helping your dragon.
Okay, fine. I'll let you help Nazboo.
We won't let you down. Nothing is working.
But we can't give up.
Tala! Ah! Whoa! Oh, come back, Peppa!
Whoa! Oh no! Instead of us picking the peppers, the dragon pepper tree is picking us.
This tree's not going to get us, Nahal. Oh, what's so funny?
That tickles.
That's it! I remember the trick. If you want to pick a dragon pepper, you have to tickle the tree. Come on, Nahal. I need your tiggly tiger paws. Tickle, tickle.
Whoa! Thank you, Dragon Pepper Tree. So that's how you pick dragon peppers.
Good job, sis. Now let's get these to Nazboo.
I think I know the fastest way to do that. I wish we could deliver these dragon peppers to Nazboo and Zeta.
Boom, Zarame! First wish of the day. Shimmer and shine, deliver dragon peppers divine. Special dragon pepper delivery.
What took you so long?
Trust me, it's not that easy to pick a dragon pepper. The good news is that we brought a whole bunch of dragon peppers. So the next time Nazboo gets dragon pox, you'll be ready.
Well, that is some good news.
Here you go, little dragon friend. Are you itchy? Nope.
Sneezy?
Nope. And look! No more horn spots.
Oh, my little dragon wagon is all better.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.